Welcome back to Recycled and Saved. Got a 2007 Drz400 Enduro edition. Brand new front tire, large aftermarket fuel tank. Got all the stock stuff here. Stock exhaust, pro circuit exhaust. Really nice, clean bike. Clear Wisconsin paperwork. Has the tool kit and everything all in it yet. I am not going to start it up. We had to jump it there to get it going. Checked it out. Once it warmed up, these are cold-blooded. Everything on it worked great. Everything's good. 4,900 miles. Really a super clean, super nice bike. Hopefully, if anybody needs anything off of it, I've got it. I normally do the outdoor running stuff, but I didn't get home till late tonight. And I don't want to start this pro circuit up with the neighbors. And we've got snow coming in, so I'm not sure what's going to happen in the morning. Maybe I'll do another video of it running out in the snow in the driveway or not. But I wanted to get a video or a picture with this fuel tank because it looks really cool. I'm not even sure what the capacity is on that tank. But it's a big unit. Other than that, let us know what you need. Subscribe in case you see other bikes that we list. And let us know what you need off of this one. You can look down below to contact us, recycle.saved@yahoo.com, or you can get a hold of us and see our stuff on on eBay at our eBay page, Recycled and Saved. Thanks for watching.